In the previous 3 videos, we learned how to install XAMPP server, how to install code editor, how to how the syntax is looking like. Now we are going to the next part, which is the variables. Now, so we know that our starting and ending point is dollar. This PHP, not dollar, sorry, I was inside the deep thinking. So this is our syntax. Every code of PHP you will write, it should be inside this block. Yeah, inside this, not outside, not upside, it should be inside. Yeah, so basically there will be like div here or something, HTML here, and inside that you are writing your PHP code. Any element you can write, yeah, outside the PHP. So sorry for this one, my voice is a little bit having the throat issue, not throttle, sorry, technical terms. Okay, so now in this one we are writing the variable. Now what is variable? First, before defining variable, if you know, it's good, but if someone is starting the programming from the beginning, then this is the basic of variable they need to know. So variable is a thing that we are using in programming to assign a value and change a value during the programming. All variables are not changeable during the programming. There are the types of variable. Yeah, I will go on the two parts. First of all, assigning any variable you can assign is this one, $ABC. First thing you need to know, you can't start variable with number, you can't start variable with special characters. Numbers and special characters in the beginning are not allowed, and in the special characters it is not allowed in whole like PHP. You can write underscore. Yeah, but after, if you are defining your own variable, then you need to start with alphanumeric and then you can write underscore. Yeah, so underscore before is not, because it is reserved by PHP, and numeric is not allowed at the beginning. You can write numeric after the, or like this. Yeah, so basically we have this rule. Yeah, now you can write number 1 to 3, and then we having the float. Yeah, so this is the basic values, variables types. So now you understand that this is the variables, but one thing, this is variables are little bit different in the PHP, because variables here you don't need to define the types, like what the type of variable. It is number, you can directly write the number, you can directly write the string, you can directly write these things. Yeah, so this is easy, right? Now what is difficult? Nothing is difficult, but variable are basically two types. One is the changeable, one is not changeable. Now someone will ask what is changeable? Now this we return in the top, these three are changeable during programming. Like if I write one more time the same number thing here and provide 2 3 4, then in the server's memory, the PHP worker which is resolving the request, he will now overwrite this number 1 2 3 with the 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 is no longer there. Yeah, so this is the thing. And float, all three things are changeable. So if you are writing in after some duration, or you have some conditions, this we will look in the next videos, conditional statements. You have done some functions and you need to change the variable, you need to change the numbers or string there, then you can change numbers or string. Yeah, constants are not changeable. Yeah, so let's see what is the constant. Constants in PHP, basically this is the best thing which I know. So constant you can define like this one. Yeah, there is no dollar, nothing. You can define directly using this one, and echo greeting directly like writing. So let's try. Define greetings hello. Now echo greetings. Now okay, we write the code. Now one part will be arise like how to check this code, is the code is working or not. So basically PHP like Apache or Nginx server is running in your local in the 80 port. So 80 port you don't need to write anything here, your server is already running. So what is our folder is basics. So here we have all files. Yeah, I can block this, but not now. Let's say okay, if I write here index.php, so basically every time when you're in your directory, it will Apache or Nginx web server, first it will look for any HTML file. If there is index.html file is there, and then it will look for index.php. So I am writing you are at the wrong place. Yeah, now you can't see directory because it is now showing this one file. Yeah, now what we need to do, we need to go to this file. So we can write variables.php. you can see we echo is like you are printing something on the web server, on the browser. Yeah, but it is doing this one is done, this code block is processed by the PHP worker, PHP FPM basically. Yeah, so this code block is processed by the PHP FPM or worker, whatever will be there, and then you will get just this HTML. You can't see this PHP blocks inside, you can just see this HTML is here only, nothing, the code is there server. Yeah, so this is server side. Yeah, and this is the server is returning echo, means it is printing on the browser directly. Yeah, so these things are matters. This is basic, so don't worry, you will get a more idea when you are doing something more there. Now echo means printing, and one more equivalent is print. Print means you need to do curly braces, like not curly, like round braces, and then you can write anything, it will print here. You can see here hello, and 234 is printed. 234 is here. If I comment this, as I said before, it will be 123. So it is changeable, and if I define one more time this hello 1, then it will not change because okay, let's try here, it will not change, it is constant. Yeah, you can't change this one is defined, it is defined, you can't define second time. It will not throw the error, but if I start the error in the server, by default it is off, it will throw the error, it will not serve the page. Okay, so you know basics of variable, you know the changeables, you know the things. Yeah, now here question arise, you can assign anything like this 1 2 3, like 1.33, like 2.33, you can assign anything as per your requirement. Yeah, no limit. Now one more type in the changeable or not changeable, there is type is called the array. Now array is like let's say I have the usability of array. What is the usability? I have the thing which is using the 4 numbers, and I want in sequence, like if I say 0th position, then it is 1, 1th position, then it is 2, 2th position, then it is 3. So what I will do, I will write 1 2 3 4. Now you will say what, it is the simple one, but it is containing 4 integers here. Yeah, you can do like this also, you can mix the value, like here you can put the string, here you can put the float, here you can put the something else, true or false. True or false basically is there in all language, which is used for boolean. Yeah, it is like true or it is false, nothing else. So this is the array. Now array is having like collection of variable called array. Now if I print array using this one, then it will say just array. Okay, I don't want to execute the further, I want to stop it here. Yeah, so it will just stop it here and don't execute the further HTML or PHP whatever after this one I don't want to show to the web browser. Then it will go here. So you can see it is only showing array, but what we stored these values, why it is showing only array. So for array you have the print underscore r. So you can see indexes and all elements. Now okay, if I write echo array of 0, what it will print? It will print 1 because at the 0th index it is 1 is there. So you can see here is 1. Okay, if I write 0 1 2 3 4, then it should print ddd. Okay, so it is printing ddd. So this is the array. Now here it is automatically getting index, yeah, and sometime when you work, then sometimes you need the index defined. Like okay, let's say I have array 2 which has like this. Let's say you can do by the way this thing like okay, name is ABC and city is some city XYZ. Let's take it. Now here if I print this one, let's copy and paste. Okay, array underscore 2, and if I see this, then you can see the index is changing. Let me show you the array and both thing, and let's put the HTML between this one so you can echo. Basically it is printing to this one, so it is new line. Now we directly assigning the values to the array, then it is creating this array with default like from start from 0 and so. And when we define the index, then it is showing us this index here. Yeah, so what is the difference? So this is, which is directly the numbers, this is called indexed array, and this is called associative array. Yeah, this one basically need to understand for database, but don't worry, in database part I will understand that all things, I will show you. Yeah, so this is the variables. Yeah, you learn the variables, you learn the how to print array, you learn how to what are the types, you learn constant and changeable. Yeah, so this is the variables. So in next video we are going to learn the okay, constant is done, globals. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video.